Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. You know how much we love to dig into the trends that are shaping the future, and well, today we're tackling a big one, AI in real estate.
Definitely a hot topic.
Yeah, no kidding. And we've got some great source material to work with today. You guys sent over some excerpts from this article, Why Real Estate Agents Need to Embrace AI Skills Now.
Ah, yes, that one caught my eye too.
It's a dense read, a little jargony at times.
A bit,
Yeah.
but there are some real gems in there about how AI is changing the game for everyone involved, agents, clients, you name it.
Exactly. And that's what we're going to unpack today. So, big picture. This article really hammers home the point that client expectations are driving a lot of this AI adoption in real estate.
Yeah, that makes a ton of sense.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
think about it. We're also used to instant information, personalized experiences in other areas of our lives, right?
Right.
So naturally, people are starting to expect the same level of service when it comes to something as major as buying or selling a home.
Totally. And the article actually lists out some of the things these tech-savvy clients are looking for. Faster responses, more accurate valuations, personalized recommendations. Oh, and don't forget the virtual tours. Those are huge now.
Absolutely. And it goes beyond just the bells and whistles. Clients want data-driven insights. They want to know that their agent is using the best tools available to help them make informed decisions.
So it's not just about gut feelings anymore. It's about backing those instincts with hard data.
Exactly.
Okay. So we've got this demand from clients for a more tech-driven experience. But I have to admit, when I was reading this article, I started to wonder, is there a chance that AI could eventually replace real estate agents altogether?
It's a question a lot of people are asking. And the article does touch on the rise of prop tech, which is basically all about the intersection of technology and real estate.
Right. It almost sounds like agents could become obsolete.
Yeah, I can see why you think that.
Yeah.
But the article actually makes a strong case for how AI can be used to enhance an agent's skills rather than replace them completely.
Oh, interesting. So it's less about robots taking over and more about agents using AI as a tool to be even better at what they do.
Exactly. It's about leveraging technology to provide a level of service that simply wouldn't be possible otherwise.
So AI becomes like a superpower for agents.
I like that. A superpower.
It helps them stand out in a crowded market, offer more value to their clients, and ultimately be more successful.
Right on. And the article gives some really compelling examples of how AI can help agents do just that, like creating amazing marketing materials or managing a huge client base without getting totally overwhelmed.
Okay, that's starting to paint a different picture. It's not about AI versus agents. It's about AI empowering agents to do their jobs even better.
Exactly. It's a partnership, not a competition.
I like that, a partnership. So let's get specific. The article dives into how AI can boost efficiency for agents. What were some of the key takeaways for you?
For me, one of the biggest things was how AI can take over a lot of those like really tedious tasks that agents have to deal with.
Oh, yeah, totally. The stuff that eats up all your time.
Exactly. Think about scheduling showings, answering emails, inputting data. All that stuff can be automated.
Right, which frees up so much time and energy for agents to actually connect with clients and, close deals.
Precisely. It's about working smarter, not harder.
I love that. The article also mentioned AI being used to generate property descriptions. I can definitely see how that would be helpful.
Oh, absolutely. AI can analyze all the property data and create these really compelling descriptions that highlight the key features and target the right buyers.
That's so smart. So it's not just about saving time, it's about actually improving the quality of the work too.
Exactly. And it goes way beyond just descriptions. Think about market trend analysis, predicting property values with incredible accuracy. It's like having this superpowered research assistant at your fingertips.
Okay, I'm sold. So where can agents even learn these AI skills? Is it like back to school for a computer science degree?
Uh-huh. No, not at all. The article actually talks about how there are tons of different options for learning AI, everything from online courses to webinars to even podcasts like this one.
So there's something for everyone, no matter their tech expertise.
Exactly. And if you really want to go deep, there are certifications, workshops, even mentorship programs with like tech-savvy agents.
So you can kind of tailor your learning to your own needs and interests.
Exactly.
Speaking of diving deep, the article mentioned this webinar by AIRE Solutions. They seem to offer some really hands-on training for agents who want to get practical with AI.
Oh yeah, AIRE Solutions. They're doing
Yes.
some really cool stuff.
Yeah.
And what's interesting is they cover a pretty wide range of applications. Everything from lead generation to property analysis to client management, even virtual staging.
Wow, it sounds like they're really covering all the bases.
Yeah, it's like a comprehensive overview of how AI is being used across the entire real estate industry.
It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. This article focuses on how agents can leverage AI, but it got me thinking about what this all means for buyers and sellers.
That's a great point. I mean,
Eh,
ultimately, the goal is to make the buying and selling process smoother and more efficient for everyone, right?
right. So how do you see AI empowering buyers and sellers?
Well, for starters, imagine if buyers and sellers had access to the same data-driven insights that agents do.
That would be a game changer.
Right. No more relying solely on an agent's expertise. You could do your own research, make more informed decisions.
It would create so much more transparency in the market.
Absolutely. Buyers could get accurate property valuations, compare properties side by side, even get personalized recommendations based on their specific needs and budget.
It sounds like AI could really take the guesswork out of buying or selling a home.
Exactly. And that's just the beginning.
Hmm.
There are so many other ways AI is already making a difference.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Let's get into some real-world examples. What are some of the AI tools that are already out there making waves in the industry?
Well, one area where we're seeing a huge impact is in property valuation. You've got these AI-powered platforms that can analyze massive amounts of data and come up with these incredibly accurate valuations.
That's got to be helpful.
Oh, it's huge. For sellers, it means they can price their properties more strategically and potentially sell faster.
And for buyers, it gives them confidence that they're not overpaying.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then there's lead generation, which is like the lifeblood of any real estate business.
Yeah, but it can be such a time-consuming process.
Right. But now you've got AI-powered chatbots that can engage with potential clients 24/7, answer basic questions, even pre-qualify leads.
So agents can focus on those high-quality leads instead of chasing after every single inquiry.
Precisely. It's all about working smarter, not harder.
I love that. What about CRM systems? Those are essential for agents who are juggling tons of clients and properties.
Oh, absolutely. And AI can supercharge those CRM systems. Think about a CRM that not only tracks client interactions, but also analyzes their preferences, predicts their needs, and suggests personalized recommendations.
Wow. It's like taking personalization to a whole new level.
Exactly. It helps agents build stronger relationships and provide a truly tailored experience for every client.
It sounds like AI can be like having a whole team of assistants working for you behind the scenes.
That's a great way to put it. And we can't forget about the creative side of things. There are AI-powered tools that can generate compelling property descriptions, design eye-catching flyers, and create immersive virtual tours.
So agents can spend less time on those tasks and more time focusing on what they do best, connecting with people and closing deals.
Exactly. It's all about leveraging technology to free up your time and energy for the things that matter most.
This all sounds incredibly promising. But I think it's important to acknowledge that with any new technology, there are bound to be some challenges and concerns.
You're absolutely right. I mean, we need to make sure that AI is being used ethically and for the benefit of everyone involved.
So while we're exploring all these amazing possibilities, we also need to be mindful of the potential downsides.
Absolutely. As AI continues to evolve, we need to have these open and honest conversations about its impact and make sure we're shaping its development in a way that benefits both the industry and society as a whole.
Well said. So we've covered a lot of ground here. We've talked about how AI is transforming the way agents work, how it can empower buyers and sellers, and even touched on some of the broader implications.
It's been a fascinating discussion, and I think it really highlights just how rapidly the real estate landscape is changing.
It definitely does. But where do you see all of this heading? What's the future of AI in real estate?
Well, I think it's safe to say that AI is here to stay. It's not just a passing fad. It's a fundamental shift that's going to continue to reshape the industry for years to come.
Yeah, it feels like a real turning point.
Definitely.
So what does that mean for agents, buyers, sellers? What should they be doing to kind of prepare for this AI-powered future?
Well, for agents, I think the most important thing is to embrace a mindset of like continuous learning and adaptation.
Yeah.
You know, the skills that are in demand today might be totally obsolete tomorrow. So it's essential to stay ahead of the curve.
So like, don't be afraid to experiment with new tools. Take some courses, network with other tech-savvy agents, that kind of thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And don't think of AI as a threat. Think of it as an opportunity to level up your skills and provide even better service to your clients.
Yeah, it's about using AI to your advantage.
Right.
And what about buyers and sellers? What advice would you give them?
I'd say be informed.
Yeah.
Do your research, understand how AI is being used in the real estate market and what it means for you as a buyer or a seller.
Yeah, don't just blindly trust the technology. Educate yourself,
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask questions.
right?
Like, ask your agent what tools they're using, what data they're relying on, how it all impacts your buying or selling journey.
So it sounds like the key takeaway here is that AI is transforming the real estate landscape. And the best way to navigate this new terrain is to be informed, adaptable, proactive, right?
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Awesome. Well, we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into AI and real estate. We talked about the client-driven demand for more tech-savvy services, the specific tools and skills that agents are using, even the potential benefits for buyers and sellers.
Yeah, it's been a really fascinating exploration.
It has.
Yeah.
And as we wrap up, I'd love to leave our listeners with a final thought-provoking question, something to kind of chew on.
Oh, I like that.
Okay.
All right, here's one for you. As AI becomes more sophisticated, do you think it will eventually be able to, truly replicate the human element of real estate?
Ooh, that's a good one. Can an algorithm really understand the emotional connection that people have with their homes?
Right, or negotiate with the same finesse as like a seasoned agent?
Yeah, I mean, we've talked about how AI can analyze data, predict trends, automate tasks, but can it really replace that human touch, the empathy, the ability to connect with clients on a personal level?
Yeah, it's interesting. The article we were looking at focused mainly on the practical applications of AI,
Yeah,
but your question really gets at something much deeper.
it does.
It makes you wonder if there are just certain aspects of real estate that will always require a human touch. Maybe it's that ability to understand a client's unspoken needs.
Or to navigate the complexities of a negotiation with like empathy and intuition.
Right. Or maybe it's about providing reassurance and guidance during what can be a really stressful and emotional process for buyers and sellers. It's hard to imagine an algorithm replicating that kind of human connection.
It is, but then again, who knows what the future holds? I
Yeah.
mean, AI is constantly evolving. What seems impossible today might be commonplace tomorrow.
True. Maybe we'll see AI agents that can crack jokes, tell stories, build rapport with clients just like their human counterparts.
Or maybe AI will become this powerful tool that actually enhances human capabilities, you know,
Yeah,
allowing agents to really focus on those uniquely human skills that can't be replicated by algorithms.
I like that. A tool for empowerment.
Yeah, it's exciting. It's uncharted territory, and I think that the key is to approach it with both curiosity and a healthy dose of critical thinking. We need to consider the potential benefits and the potential challenges of AI and make sure that it's being used ethically and responsibly.
Well,
So, this deep dive has given us all a lot to think about. And it's clear that the conversation about AI in real estate is just getting started.
oh yeah, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
So we encourage you all to keep exploring, keep asking questions, keep shaping the future of real estate alongside us. Until next time.